What day is it?
So his daddy woke up in bed day.
Yay! He was so happy to see his daddy this morning. He was almost going to cry because I was getting up and I said, look. And he looked over and he saw his daddy and immediately a huge grin split across his face. And he's been happy ever since.
Yes, Mom.
But it's actually Christmas! Come on, let's go look at stockings.
Mom actually turned into Christmas.
Let's go look at stockings.
Abracadabra.
You want to come?
Oh my goodness, you got energy!
And here's the dog. Merry Christmas, dog. Go see. Go see. Like, is this for me? To share. Oh, do you like that? Oh, good kiss. Coda, don't eat that.
Aww, you like that cow.
Okay, open your stocking. See what... Coda, sit. Stay. Whoa, what is that? Yeah, that's for you.
Oh, those goldfish. Oh boy.
Oh.
You got a candy cane? He's like, what else is in here?
Keep looking.
You got a hair?
Is there something else? What is that?
Taffy and a dinosaur. Oh, another dinosaur.
Is that one yummy? Coda!
That's alright, they share food anyway, right?
Well, she didn't make it through the plastic. She was just trying. Fell on the floor, it must be for me, says the dog. Is that a toy too? Oh, yummy. She licks it.
Silly dog.
Is that your doggy?
Look at that face. That is a messy face.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah.
You're so funny.
He's laughing because I'm chasing something.